Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI. To tell you that I am a candle fanatic is definitely an understatement. I have a ton of candles. It's so bad that when I come home with a new candle, my family sighs heavily and they threaten to send me to candle rehab. Now, I'm not real confident that there is a candle rehab, but if there is, I'm genuinely scared for my future. Now, all of that drama aside, I want to show you my new favorite candle. I absolutely love this candle by Candleberry Company. It fills my whole house with the scent of warm vanilla and maple syrup. It is absolutely so pleasant and relaxing. It's so fun to just sit there and read a book or work on my computer with this candle next to me. The scent is instantly calming and it makes you feel warm and cozy. Another thing that I love about this candle is how slow it burns. Because it is my favorite candle, I light it quite often, and you can see that it's barely showing any signs of being used. So I love that I will be able to burn this candle for months to come. I like to light this candle after I've made something that kind of lingers in the air for dinner, maybe some fried food or something like that. I can light this and it eliminates all of that odor and it leaves us with a peaceful, warm smelling home. So if you are looking for a wonderful gift for someone, yourself included, then I highly recommend this beautiful candle. It'll last a long time and it'll leave your home smelling warm and inviting on cold, snowy, or rainy days. And that's just my point of view.